Hello guys, Aradhya here and welcome to my channel. As first of all, I would like to say that please ignore my ridiculous setup because I haven't cut it since 6 months and the year is still, the lockdown is still prevailing and it's gonna stay for a while. Okay, so please ignore that. And this channel is totally new and I will give the reviews based on what a regular customer would expect from the products I buy. And yeah, this is a review of the Cooler Master MasterBox K501L, and this cabinet has been in the Indian market for quite a long time now, and it had been a great choice amongst gamers for its aesthetic looks, but it had one big flaw. The flaw was it didn't have a piercing shroud, and in every modern day cabinet you would expect one because it enhances the looks of the cabinet by quite a lot. And in recent times, even budget brands are offering a PSU shroud in their cabinets, and which is really important nowadays from an aesthetic standpoint. So what's new with this version 2.0 of Cooler Master K501L? Okay, I'm not going to say this name for next time because it's too long and obnoxious names. Okay, so not only it has a PSU shroud, but it has a totally revamped internal cabinet structure. It quite resembles the MD511, which is a offering from Cooler Master. It comes around, you can find it in regular market at around 6,400 rupees in Vedant computers or any computers. So this cabinet doesn't come at much price, and quite frankly speaking, I checked the Amazon price right now, and this cabinet was out of stock, and the older version was for around 4,600 rupees. I got this for 4,200, so it's not a great deal right now to buy the older version. This cabinet comes with one RGB fan in the front pre-installed, which is a 1200 RPMs, and one non-RGB fan at the back end, which is around 1200 RPMs. But when I checked the fan speeds through the BIOS settings, I got that the non-RGB fan spins at least 100 RPM faster than the front fan. The back fan spins at around 1300 RPM, but the front fan sticks to 1200. The thing is, the point that still is not being improved is it comes with one 3.0 front I/O and one 2.0 I/O. And frankly speaking, 2.0 I/O is outdated these days, and it doesn't come with a reset switch. But the good part is the front switch is illuminated. So this cabinet can support up to 360mm radiator on the top compared to the first version, which supported only up to 240mm, and it can also support a 360mm radiator in the front, and it has a clearance of 410mm for a graphics card, a 165mm for a CPU cooler if you go for a air cooler, and a 180mm clearance for the PSU shroud. So let's get into it right now. So as you may see, this case comes with a handful of zip ties, and you can also see I had already unpacked the screws because I had started building the case. And the front fan comes with a RGB header and a PWM controller, and for the front panel, one of the I/O is USB 3.0, and another one is obviously the old generation USB 2.0 and the HD audio. You can change the lighting of the front fan, and if your motherboard supports any LED lights from the MSI Dragon Center, and it consecutively shows up in the cabinet. So that's it with the review of Cooler Master K501L. If you're looking for a great cabinet in the budget segment, you can definitely go for this cabinet. But the only catch is it is quite limited in India at this time now, and you have to be really alert to get your hands on it. And the only other place you can find this cabinet is the Cooler Master's own website. So thank you guys. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, and I'd be very happy if you subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for future updates. Thank you.